Alright, week 8, and this is Tuesday. Scaling, we looked at the configuration, RIP version 2, and then we looked at EIGRP. We went through the assessment, and then we looked at the skills base. We left the network intact, so we have this available to work on in terms of EIGRP on Tuesday next week. We talked about administrative distance, and we looked at some scenarios about going through a router, a broadcast. We talked about a number of things. We talked about a route. You could use two static routes and give them different administrative distance. So we'd select this one. If it went away, we'd go to this one. We talked about that. And at the end of class, we set up the skills-based. Okay, so everybody has two switches. For example, Zach has switch 1 and switch 25. And I connected those switches together using those ports. Same thing for John. I connected those two switches together using those ports. The rest of the students, they should have picked what other ports they want to work with. Okay? So here's the diagram. You want between, like for example those ports, you want ether channel connected between. You want to create 3 VLANs, 5 ports per switch per VLAN, so you have 5 ports here on one VLAN, 5 on another, and 5 on another. Okay? This is an example of the IP address, and you can address it whatever way you want. For example, Zach has this address, John has this address, Van, Michael, Paul, Mariah, and Megan. And so then you can set up your VLANs however you want to address those. So then you want to be able to have a PC connected on one VLAN communicate to a PC connected on another VLAN using using routing inside the multi-layered switch. And that's it. If you have questions, get a hold of me.